Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my mini vlog. Today I am taking you along with me to Lohia on this beautiful snowy day. We started our morning by heading to the hospital as one of my family members had a doctor's appointment. Once we finished there, we drove into the heart of Lohia Center to enjoy the winter scenery and the city vibes. Our next stop was a visit to a local Asian store where we found some great ingredients and snacks. After a successful shopping trip, we finally headed back to home warm up. It was a productive and lovely day out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.